In this video today, I have 3 steps for you to make money either online or offline. The very first is for you to choose a product. You need to know exactly what it is that you want to promote. How do you intend to make that extra $100 a day, that extra $1,000 per sale with the use of either high-ticket products, middle-ticket products, or low-ticket products? This is what you need to take note of in order for you to make money online. There is a marketplace where you can choose products to sell and make money doing just that. This is not any regular marketplace out there, so stay tuned because very shortly I will be revealing it to you right here. But first of all, for you to get the best value from this video today, I will advise that you watch this video all through to the very end for the very first time and then watch again the second time. But this time, implementing what I'll be revealing to you in this video today. When you head over to the first link in this video description, it will take you to this website called sales.co, where you can find products to promote or recommend these products to others who are in need of them and make money doing just that. You will then land on this page that you see right here on the screen. You can see clearly as it is stated that you can earn big money the easy way. And here is how it works. You register to create a free account with sales.co as well as verifying your account. And you start earning by promoting the best product, and you make sales and you cash out your dollar funds to your local bank account. And one cool thing is that this is supported by multiple countries, so your location whatsoever will not stop you from making money. Now here are some of the cool features that sales.co gets to provide you upon registration. You get to earn in dollars, earning affiliate commissions when you get to promote the best selling product. You get to create payment links and receive payment from your customers from your products and services globally. You also get to sell your products in the largest Africa affiliate platform when you join the sales.co community. And here is Franklin Emmanuel making well over $1,700 in affiliate commissions in less than 2 weeks. I would love to let you know that sales.co have got you the best combinations of the right features and products for just anyone who is looking to scale their online business. So whether you are an affiliate or you are selling your own products, I think this is the path to your success. So just click to join the sales.co right here and this drop down menu will appear. You will fill in your name and I'm going to put mine right here. Your email address, your phone number and your country, and then you insert your password and you click on I agree. After you must have read the terms and conditions provided. Then you click on create account. Once you are done with the registration process, you then need to head to the marketplace right here. Then you choose a product that you want to promote. As you can see, there are multiple products that is being provided for you right here on sales.co marketplace. But then we're going to talk about that much more later. The second step for you to make money online is for you to choose a platform to promote the products that you have chosen. You could decide to create a blog post, create videos on YouTube, create TikTok videos, and you don't even need any form of high-tech gear for you to get this done. You could make use of your smartphone and begin to create these video contents or blog posts in order for you to promote the products that you have chosen. We're going to be talking about this much more later, so keep watching. Meanwhile, if you are getting any value at all from this video already, then give this video a like. The third step is for you to have a strategy. When I speak of a strategy, this deals more with the frequency of your uploads and how often you may decide to post. Taking YouTube as an example, as a platform for you to create video content in order for you to promote the product that you have chosen, you could decide that you will create 1 video a week or 2 videos per week or even create videos on a daily basis. This decision is solely dependent on you. But then whatever the case is, the idea is for you to just remain consistent with it. And certainly, you're going to be successful. So the 3 steps for you to making money online is for you to choose a product, choose a platform to promote the product that you have chosen, and then have a strategy that works for you. Now let me leave you with some bonus tips that will actually work very well for you if you're a complete beginner. The very first tip is for you to actually promote the same product multiple times. What most beginners do that I have observed, they may create just one video clip or one blog post around a product, and if no one gets to buy that product they are promoting, they simply quit. And I doubt if that is a smart way to go about it. I would like to let you know that it takes at least 7 touch points to make a sale in most cases before a prospective buyer may engage or even decide to buy from you. It would then be wise for you to create at least 7 videos or 7 blog posts on the minimum around that product that you have chosen to promote. If you get to use this strategy on YouTube, use the same strategy on TikTok, you can create even more videos or blog posts, and this will increase your chances of making more sales, leading to more affiliate commissions in dollars. The second bonus tip is for you to actually provide something that the target audience you intend to reach wants. And the cool thing is that you are able to make a decision on what type of people you intend to target and have an idea of exactly what they want. Let us think about it together this way. The type of people who are buying cars in the class of the Lamborghinis are quite different from the people who are buying some form of cheap Toyota products. Therefore, if you intend to sell to someone who likes to show off, it will be easier for you to sell to them a Lamborghini. And on the other hand, it would be easier for you to sell a cheap Toyota car to someone who is considered to be a prudent person. To make this even more effective, you can help your intended customers come to a conclusion as to why they should buy what it is that you're actually recommending for them. You could say to the intending buyer of the cheap Toyota car that they will be saving a ton of money if they get to purchase the cheap Toyota car, and also tell them the duration or the useful life of the cheap Toyota car. For the target of those customers who may be interested in the Lamborghini, you could say to them that if they get the Lamborghini, they could show off how luxurious they are when they get to appear before their friends. And this will help customers for the cheap Toyota car and also customers for the expensive Lamborghini cars to come to make a purchase of either of the cars based on their preferences. And the third bonus tip for you today is for you to provide them bonuses where applicable. Providing bonuses to your target audience is a good practice. Giving of bonuses provides them with a sense of feeling of getting something extra that is over and above what it is you are promoting to them. A lot of big companies actually give out bonuses to attract customers to buy even more beyond what they are already buying. And if big companies are doing this, then you also should actually implement the use of bonuses when you are selling your products and services to your intended customers. Providing of bonuses is seen as a win-win situation simply because you win as well as your audience wins. You provide them with what they want and an extra bonus attached, and then you get the affiliate commissions in dollars. So it is a win-win situation for both you and the customers that you're promoting your products to. And that's where we'll bring it to a close for this particular video. If you gained any value at all from this video, please hit the like button to this video and leave me a comment in the comment section below if you have any question whatsoever. And also, don't forget to stay subscribed, turn on the bell notification icon so you don't miss out on our subsequent videos when they actually been published. And also, share this video with your friends and families. And so with that being said, click to watch the video showing up right here on your screen, and I'll see you in the very next one.